Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Suzuki Swift Sport, stock reference number 3841. This shape runs from the 12th month 2010 through to the 3rd month 2017. It has a M16A 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. M16A 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end and the rear end. We have the left guard, which has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror, indicator type, colour coded. Left front door appears to have no damage. With the left sill skirt. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the tailgate spoiler. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right hand sill skirt. Right rear door has one small dent, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror. Right guard has a couple of small dents. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black center console, manual type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.